Indulge in unparalleled luxury with our exquisite set of 5 unique eclairs, crafted to perfection by the esteemed House of Cakes Bakery in Dubai. Each delicately handcrafted eclair is a symphony of flavor, promising an unparalleled culinary experience. Chocolate Namalaka Eclair. Dive into decadence with our rich chocolate Namalaka-filled eclair, offering a velvety, smooth texture and a blissful cocoa embrace. White Chocolate Namalaka Eclair. Experience pure elegance with our white chocolate Namalaka-filled eclair, boasting a creamy, heavenly sweetness that melts in your mouth. Pistachio Filling Eclair. Delight in the nutty sophistication of our pistachio-filled eclair, where every bite reveals a harmonious blend of crunchy pistachios and luscious cream. Lotus Namalaka-filled Eclair. Embark on a journey of exquisite flavor with our Lotus Namalaka-filled Eclair, featuring the irresistible warmth of lotus spread enveloped in luxurious cream. Custard-filled Eclair. Savor the classic charm of our custard-filled eclair, offering a nostalgic sweetness that evokes memories of tradition and comfort. Each eclair is meticulously crafted with the finest ingredients, ensuring a culinary experience that transcends expectations. Elevate your dessert repertoire and indulge in the unparalleled luxury of our unique eclair set, exclusively from the House of Cakes Bakery.